So in the last class we have started about the transformation and we have also done that is active to passive. Okay, today we will discuss about the degree. So you know that what are the degree of adjective. So our topic is the degree of adjective. So what is the meaning of the degree? So degree of adjective. So at first we have to know what is the adjective. Adjective is the quality, quantity, number of a noun or pronoun. For example, Naim is a boy. For example, he is a student. He is a student. Or we can say that he is a good student. So good is the quality of the person. Okay. So tall. The girl is tall. So this is the quality of the girl. For this reason we can say that this is the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, she. You know what is the meaning of the she? Okay. So this is the quality of a noun. Or we are using the word against the noun. So we know that what is the noun? You are right. So any kinds of person, place or quantity, that is the abstract or material or we can say that collective. So these are the things for the noun. For example, this is the marker. So it is one kind of noun. But against this word I am using it. So it is the pronoun against this word. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the board, whiteboard, and we are using it. So this is the pronoun,
Yes,
and whiteboard is
Noun.
You stand up. You. What is noun? Don't help her anybody. Don't help her anybody. Okay? You are the individual. That is, you have to say alone. No need to help anyone.
Yes, sir.
So what is your name?
My name is Falguni.
So in this sentence there are noun. There is a noun. So Falguni is a noun. I am saying that she is a student. So she is the pronoun, and I am saying that she is a good student. So good is the quality of Falguni, and Falguni is referred to she. So we know that she is a good student. So this is also noun, this one is also pronoun, and this is the adjective. Do you understand what is adjective?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me another one adjective example. Tell me one example of adjective.
The nice.
Nice. For example, she is nice. So this is another one is
Adjective.
but I am saying that she is more nice. Okay?
Okay.
She is, I am saying that taller. Then so Shima is the noun,
Yes, sir.
and then and taller.
Dollar adjective.
This one is adjective, but this taller and simple taller is different. So what is the different? I am saying that positive. This is tall and comparative. So I am saying about that positive, comparative and superlative. What are the difference actually? So difference is that tall. For example, I am writing here she is
Comparative.
tall. Okay. So what is the difference? She is tall. This is the individual. I am alone. I am alone. But you are together. Do you know what is the meaning of the alone? You are right. So I am saying that when I am saying this sentence, she is tall, she is alone, one person. There is no comparison.
sir.
Do you know what is the compare? I am saying that I am senior to 9. So I am more senior. This is the expression. So I am comparing with 9. So what is the meaning of the compare? You are right. So compare, its meaning is okay. So in this way, this is the comparative is compare with one thing to another thing, one person to another person, one quality to another quality. This is the comparison. We can say the noun form is comparison. Just changing the word or the parts of speech. We know that what are the parts of speech. So this is the comparison. I am saying that these are the form of the parts of speech. We know that what is the parts of speech. Every words in the sentence is using that is parts of speech. For example, this part pronoun. This is the verb. This is also parts of speech. This is also parts of speech. This is the A. This is what is the name of this parts of speech? No, this is the called adjective. For example, we know that what is the definition of adjective? Adjective is telling us about the quality. This is the quality. Good. Quantity. You know that how many numbers? Student 1. So this is the quantity. 1 student, 2 students, 3 students. Okay, 1 marker, 2 markers, 1 board, 2 boards, 1 room. Okay, 2 fans. So these are the number, or we can say that is the quantity. Do you know what is the meaning of the quantity? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the quantity. These are the numbers. What is the meaning of the quantity or number? For example, I buy 1 kilo rice. What is the meaning of these things? I buy, B-U-Y, buy. Do you know what is the meaning of the buy? You are right. So this is the buy. That is I buy 1 kilo rice. What is the meaning of this? You are right. So this is the amount of rice. For example, 1 kilo rice I kept on the table. So how many rice? 1 kilo. So this is the what? Amount. What is the meaning of the amount? Okay, no, that is money's amount. But I am saying that these are the dirty things. Papers, cakes, etc., tissues, others, polythenes, etc. So these are the dirty things. These are amount. What is the meaning? You're right. So these are the amount thing. Okay. So adjective tells us about the amount. For example, water. In the water, how many waters? How much water? So if we can count it, we can say that how many tables or chairs or fans, etc. But if you don't count, generally, if we don't count, do you know what is the count? You're right. So count is, we can count it. That is how many numbers are there. But water, can you count it? No. So our subject matter is adjective. So adjective tells us about the amount also. Okay. It tells us about the number. 1, 2, 3, 4 number. 1 kilo, 2 kilo. Okay. So these are the numbers or amount. And next one is that quality. For example, the student's quality, how good, bad, tall, ugly, beautiful. These are the quality. This room's quality, the decoration. So these are the quality of this room. So we can say that adjective tells us about the quality, quantity, number, amount, etc. It comes from also the personal noun also. How? For example, our friend. Actually, when we are going to the degree of the adjective, in that time we should know about the adjective also. Otherwise, we cannot understand it clearly. Okay, easily, deeply, softly. Okay. So here there is a noun. This is the phrase. This is the noun phrase. But in this noun phrase, how many words? No. How many words?
Our friend.
2 words. How many words? 2 words. Sit down. So how many words? One is our, another one is friend. So first one is, what is the name of this parts of speech?
Our.
Okay. So we know that how many parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and adjective also.
Pronoun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many parts of speech? 8. Do you understand? So in the sentence, every words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of speech are there. Do you understand? This one is A. It is called article, but not a particular article. Article, we know that A,
E,
and
A, and the.
the. These are the articles. Actually, I am saying that this is the set. 1 item, 2 item, 3 items, and inside there is also 1 item, and inside also there is also another item. So all things are set, and then it is called marker. But this one is not marker. This is the head. This is the bottom part. So I am saying that these 3 words is called article. Do you understand? So article, what is article? A and the. But in the parts of speech, only 8. So what is the name of this word? It is saying us about the number. How many students? This is called 1 student. For this reason, we can say that this is modifying this noun. If any word modifying, indicating, I am indicating, look at this board. So what is the meaning of the indicating? You're right. So I am saying that look on this fan. Look at the fan. Or I am saying that look at the board. Look at the chair. Okay. Or I am saying that attention to me. So I am indicating. What is the meaning of the indicating? No, I am saying indicating. What is the meaning?
Board. Dekha.
I am giving the order. What is the meaning of the order?
Order মানে কোনো কিছু
You're right. So I am saying to you, look. So what is the meaning?
look মানে দেখা
You're right. So this is one kind of indicating, showing. So these are the synonymous word or similar word. You know what is the similar word? Same word. What is the meaning of the same?
সেম মানে একই
You're right. So if you don't say, I cannot understand that you are understanding or not. So this is the communication. So in the communication, I am using my vocal, my sound, my speech, my language. Do you understand? So if you don't communicate with me, I cannot give you my knowledge to you, or I cannot catch you from your knowledge. Do you understand? So I cannot catch your knowledge from you. So I am saying about that. So every words is called the parts of speech. Do you know what is the Bangla of the parts of speech?
পার্ট অফ দিস
You're right. So every words, these are the every words is called parts of speech. I am saying Bangla also, English also. Understand just degree of adjective, and we are also understanding that what is the parts of speech, and we also understand about what is the adjective. So these are the adjectives, and we can also understand that what is the definition of the parts of speech, and also we can understand that what are the difference item of the adjectives. This one is that tall, I am, along, individual. Okay, but when I am comparing with you, then this is a comparison. And when I am the superlative, that is the tallest, I am compared with all the students. Do you know what is the difference?
Yes, sir.
You
Difference.
tell me. What is positive? Individual, alone. Comparison, two things or two persons. And individual as superlative.
All.
Do you understand? Okay, thank you.